Well, if you know why you're confronting me, yeah. Cause me not know, me not know, me not know, me not know.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, thank you for coming back. So today I am doing a install on this wig I received from Slove Hair. They did send me this wig. It is a 20-inch wig. I will have all the details in the description box because honestly I can't remember all that off the top of my head. But I'll have all the details of this hair in the description box, plus the link to where you can buy this hair as well. So if you are interested in seeing how I installed this wig and how I styled it, the packaging, what it came in, and how long it took, if you want to hear all those details, just continue to watch. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, baby, what are you doing, honey? Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. And give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Let's go ahead and get started, y'all. All right, so this is what the hair comes in. It has a bag. Inside the bag, it's a pretty box, nice structured box. On the back of the box, it has all the different types of hair they sell in their social media handles on there as well. Inside of the box, you'll get your wig, a satin bag. You'll also get 2 clips. They do say slovehair.com on the clips, and 2 wig caps. So straight out of the box, I'm gonna put this wig on my head. I did not bleach the knots or anything. And inside of the wig, you do have 4 combs, adjustable strap, and lace from ear to ear. And there's also a little lace in the back. This is what the lace looks like close up. And I'm just gonna put this on just like so. I don't have any special technique, you guys, when I'm putting my wig on. So I'm just gonna let this play and you can watch how I'm installing this wig. Also, I'm going to tell you a few things about the company. This company, which is Slove Hair, has been around since 2010. They do own their own factory where they make all of their wigs. They're high quality wigs. They have super fast shipping. And on top of that, I don't know if you guys are aware of this, but right now a lot of hair companies do not have lace to make these lace front wigs, but they are fully stocked, so you won't have to worry about that at all. And let me just tell you guys, when I say this hair is so freaking soft, this hair is so freaking soft. And you can just run your hands through it. It does not tangle. I didn't get any tangling. Like, I am not kidding you guys. No tangling at all. It didn't have any bad smell when it came in. The packaging, it just smelled like normal old hair, like any type of like weave. No bad smell, no corn chips or anything. It's straightened like a freaking dream. It just works. It just worked with me so well. Like, honestly, this wig is very, very nice. Also, another fact about Slove hair is they do have a special technology in their factory called breathing hairs. Pretty much, these breathing hairs are just like your own hair, and it means that when you're using high temperature, it opens up the hair cuticles, and when you use low temperature, it locks in the oils and keeps your hair in quality condition. Also, with this technology, there's no chemical treatment in the process at all. It won't hurt the hair cuticles, and it makes your hair the most high quality and softest. And like I said earlier, this hair is so soft. So at this point, I believe it. You got me sold, Slove hair. Okay, you guys. Okay, so I just wanted to come on here and show you guys what the hair looked like straight real quick. And it straightened like a freaking dream. A freaking dream. It straightened so nicely. And it's so soft. This hair is so soft. It's crazy. But anyway, I just wanted you guys to see how it looks straightened. And then I'm going to go and put some curls in it. Because, I don't know. I want to put some curls in it. And I think I'm going to layer it just a little bit more too. But this hair is really soft and beautiful. I did trim a little bit off the ends just so it could be more blunt and thick at the ends. I really like that look. But yes, so I am going to go in and just curl this up just very lightly. And then I will be back. All right, you guys, I am done installing this wig. It came out so gorgeous, you guys. This hair is just so beautiful. I just can't stop running my hands through it, honestly, because it is just so soft and it just doesn't tangle up at all. And usually hair is always tangling up right at that nape, but no, not this one. So anyway, this wig is so beautiful, so beautiful. Thank you, Slove Hair, for sending me this wig. Also, comment below if you guys like this hair when it was straight, or do you like it with a little curl in it? Tell me which one are you feeling. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, baby, what are you doing? Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.